Hello learners! Today I will going to discuss about one of the 5 themes of geography. Okay, so explorer and geographers study the world by looking at location, place, region, movement, and human environment interaction. These themes help us understand how people and places are connected in the world. Geographers use the 5 themes of geography to help them to study the world and organize ideas. So to help you to memorize it easily, you can use your own mnemonics or abbreviations. For me, I highly recommend that you can call it Mr.help. M stands for movement, R for region, HE for human environment interaction, L for location, and P for place. Okay, so let us first discuss the first one, the movement. So when we say movement, it is a moving of people, goods, and ideas from one place to another. So movement is divided into 3 main types. Okay, number 1, we have linear distance. So when we say linear distance, it refers to how far a person, idea, or product travels. It measured in kilometer, mile, and other. Okay, so let me give you an example. If you are going to Naga from Manila, you can approximately travel about 418.9 kilometers. Another example, Manila to Legazpi, we have 469.5 kilometers. Next, how about Manila to Cebu? Approximately 829.2 kilometers. So in terms of linear distance, sinusukat niya yung layo ng isang lugar in kilometers, miles, or etc. Next, another types of movement, we have time distance. When we say time distance, it is an amount of time it takes for a person, goods, and products to travel. It measured by seconds, minutes, hours, even days. So let me give you an example. If you want to travel from Manila to Naga City by using the air transportation, you can reach Naga City within 40 minutes. Kung gagamit ka naman ng land transportation or bus, you can reach Naga City within 9 hours. So see the difference? Another example. If you want to travel from Manila to Legazpi City, you can reach Legazpi City within 50 minutes. Pero kapag land transportation naman, you can reach Legazpi within 11 to 12 hours. Next, how about Manila to Cebu? You can use aerial transportation and reach Cebu within 1 hour to 25 to 30 minutes. So meron din kasing tinatawag na traffic sa ere. Kasi hindi lahat ng eroplano kayang i-occupy ng airport. Okay? Next, how about land transportation? By using bus, you can reach Cebu within 21 hours and 9 minutes. Kung sasakay ka naman ng barko from Manila to Cebu, you can reach Cebu within 22 hours. Next, number 3, psychological distance. So, when we say psychological distance, it refers to the way of people view travel. Ito yung iniisip natin once na nagta-travel tayo, 'di ba? Yung pag nagpaplano tayo ng isang vacation, say for example, iniisip natin kung gaano ba kalayo, gaano ba kalapit yung isang lugar. So, mayroong tinatawag na 2 key points na pwede nating i-consider. Number 1, experiential, and number 2, spatial. The experiential is surrounded by 2 main factors. Number 1, the imagination or we are trying to imagine a scenario for our travel. And number two, experience. Through experience, we can easily make a conclusion about the travel scenario. Through imagining, we can make a travel in our mind, and we can judge it by simply looking on your Google map on your cell phones or traditional map. Same with experience, you can also make a conclusion by making a action for a particular plan. Okay, here it's trying to experience your plan. So through imagination and through experience, of course, we can make our own idea or we can make our own conclusion or judgment. So papasok na yung tinatawag na spatial. Wherein, pwede na tayo magkaroon ng conclusion or judgment about the results or the outcomes of the travel. We can say that the destination may be far away or too far or close enough. Okay? So here, the more familiar we are with an area, the distance seems to shorten, right? We are trying to put to our mind that the distance between the two places visited repeatedly is shortened or shrink. Okay? So in summary, in terms of movement, the routes, distance, even time are factors that present or includes in the movement of people, product, and ideas. I wish na sana mayroon kang natutunan for this video tutorial. So for more videos, kindly hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga susunod kong video. Thanks for watching and keep learning!